Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect a gateway to the Things Industry platform using the ZTP method. This method greatly reduces the complexity of gateway integration and improves deployment efficiency in large-scale scenarios. For this demo, we're using the UG65 gateway, and the gateway must be connected to the internet. We also need an ALIT account on the Things Industry platform. First, log in to the Gateway Management interface. Navigate to the Packet Forward page and disable the default enabled embedded NS function. Click the Configuration button and uncheck the box. Then click the Save button and click Save and Apply button to make it effective. Next, click the Add button. A window will pop up. Check the box to enable it. In the Type drop-down, select the Things Industry Auto option. Then, we need to fill in user ID, API key, and other information. Now, log in to the Things Industry platform. Because the demonstration environment is in the EU region, but the gateway frequency band is US, this does not affect the registration or use of the gateway. Therefore, we recommend that users handle this according to their actual needs. Click the avatar icon at the top right corner. Click Profile Settings. Here we can see the user ID information. Copy it out. Paste it here. Click the API Keys menu. Click the Add API Key button. Enter a name according to your situation. Keep other parameters as default. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Create API Key button. In the pop-up window, copy the content of the key and paste it here. Copy the address from the browser address bar. Make sure not to include HTTPs or other characters. Copy it at here and paste it. Here, the server protocol supports 3 types. You can choose according to your actual needs. Click the Save button. Then click Save and Apply button. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. At this time, the gateway will automatically call the platform's API in the background to create the gateway and establish the data link. If your deployment is for a large-scale project and requires bulk installation, you can provide the above parameters to us in advance. We can pre-configure them before shipping the gateways, so that the gateways can be used immediately upon power-up and network connection, greatly reducing on-site work. Refresh the page, and you can see the Connect status shows connected, which means creation is successful. Next, let's check our result. Go back to the Things Industry platform and find the gateway page. Use the gateway EUI to filter and search. We can see the automatically created content with status connected, and it is just created. Click to view details. We can see the platform is already receiving data forwarded by the gateway in real time. That concludes the entire tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.